Come.
These are our
Ready?
cameras.
Yeah. So look who we have here with us. We have Varun and Ghazal, the co-founders of Mama Earth. And we've been waiting actually for you guys. When will you guys come on the red carpet and please talk to us?
Here we
So,
are.
yeah, here you are. I'm excited. So tell us, what do you, we speak about beauty all the time. It's like our Mama Earth is all about that. So something about that before we find.
I need this space.
Continue.
I think
The camera is on.
I think naming one person would be far too difficult. I mean, tonight we have gathered to celebrate so many such beautiful Indians. We're a country of a billion people, and largely almost everyone is great at heart. But we are telling stories which we hope will inspire this generation to do more good. So I think we're going to see a lot of those beautiful Indians inside, and we should wait for these stories to come out.
So much inspiration coming from tonight, right? And I'm so happy you're a part of an event that needs to be very grand because it is beautiful inside, right?
Yeah.
And I want to ask you one last question.
We have Arkirat from Hempel Foundation. We've been partnering with them, and that's I think just so many folks we can do.
Yes, yes. Thank you for sharing all of this. I would like to hear some words from you. Are you excited for tonight?
Very excited.
Thank you.
He's doing
Come, if you are you from Middle East,
Yeah.
you can call them. They can do bites with me. There's no problem. Anything here? इधर कुछ नहीं करना है ना?
Should have stopped.
Sorry.
Hi, Amal. How are you?
I'm gold, pinky pink.
Pinky pink, yeah. That's really good. It looks good.
I don't. Or we can actually go back and then come back. We can sit.
And someone. Dhamal kuch.
Tell
Tell me. Yes.
So today we're celebrating beauty inside now. Some beauty that is some beauty that comes to your mind.
My mom. She looks great at 60. Almost. She's not 60, but she's heading there. And I think she's beautiful outside and inside. She's made us successful, and she's the backbone of our family. So yeah, it has to be my mom. Mommy is first.
Mommy is first. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. You enjoy it. Enjoy yourself. How are you? अरे पहले बता
Hi. Hi. Finally. नाम बताओ पहले कौन कौन है नहीं पहले वाला सही था We're super excited, today we're celebrating fashion, beauty and, those things really excite us and just looking forward to just meeting all our friends and all of you. I think it's very, very exciting. We keep meeting. And also lockdown khatam ho gaya, uski khushi alag hai. So everybody is here and events are finally happening. So really happy to be here without a mask because it's mask free Bombay now. Thank you. I think मैं और प्रकृति हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं कि हमारे थोड़े आउटफिट मिले जुले. I think it should just be in sync because we are always in sync. But we came to know about the event really last minute, and last minute we got something very similar. But I actually love what we're wearing because it's our favorite colors, and I feel amazing in what that's we're wearing. That's my favorite color, and that's her favorite color. So आज थोड़ा switch हुआ, but we're really happy and super excited to meet everyone inside and just celebrate with everyone. आपको नहीं मिले मिले थे उस दिन, but yes.
हाँ नीचे मिले थे
that's,
ऑफिस में, but that's another super exciting. It's an international collaboration.
Yeah, I think that will be
तो-
very, very exciting. I think September में everyone should be able to hear it. एक collaboration है with a very, very exciting artist all the way from Italy. So I think पहली बार ऐसा होगा that you hear Hindi music with Italian music, and that's coming up next.
नहीं, गाने का वेट करेंगे तो और एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ेगी.
आपको
तो
दोबारा
आपको
मिलेंगे. I
दोबारा
think
मिलेंगे.
गाना सितंबर में आएगा. So of course before that we will sing a lot for you. But anything else you would like us to sing, we'll happily sing for you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
How are you? Thank you. फेमिना के लिए हमेशा एक्साइटेड होती हूँ. ऑल्सो आई थिंक फेमिना से सबकी बचपन की यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं. एंड फेमिना इवेंट का मतलब ही होता है समथिंग strong woman who's empowered and आज की औरत. So it's always good to be, and you know this is a good event, like it's with sustainable products, recyclable products. It's nice. Thank you.
And I've known you guys for a while.
ये मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आई थिंक टुडे व्हेन आई वाज टेलिंग काजवी जो आपके साथ बैठी हुई है, आई हैव टू पॉइंट हर आउट. इट वाज अ वेरी लास्ट मिनट थिंग बिकॉज मैं थर्ड ट्रैवल कर रही थी, इंडिया में नहीं थी. एंड शी सेड इवेंट है, चलते हैं. तो इट वाज वन ऑफ दोज वेरी लकी थिंग that I got and I put on and I look fab and it fits. So and I feel nice on a red carpet. It's always good to be back. आश्रम की शूटिंग पूरी हो गई है. हम एक्चुअली और 3 दिन में अपनी डबिंग शुरू कर रहे हैं, विच आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट बिकॉज आश्रम एक ऐसा शो आई थिंक बहुत लोग वेट कर रहे हैं उस शो के लिए. क्या जब बाबा जी आते दिखे, जपनाम बोला. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी शॉट विद प्रकाश सर. चक्रव्यूह की थी मैंने उनके साथ. सो इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट कमिंग बैक टू द सेम इंस्टीट्यूशन. मगर तब मैं बहुत डरी थी चक्रव्यूह के टाइम पे, क्योंकि प्रकाश झा. पर इस टाइम में ईशा गुप्ता बन के गई तो डर नहीं था. सेट बहुत अच्छा है, यू नो दे आर ग्रेट एक्टर्स ऑन सेट. बहुत बड़ा यूनिट है हमारा बिकॉज आपने आश्रम देखी है. एंड इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग कैरेक्टर. ऐसे शोज it's been in controversy but it's been really nice to be a part of. Thank you so much. Thank you.
हाय बाबा, ठीक हो आप? कैसे? मैं तो बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ. एज यू नो लॉकडाउन के दौरान मैं एक्चुअली घर गई थी थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. सो आई लव माई फैमिली एंड फॉर मी फैमिली इज़ एवरीथिंग. हाँ. Yes, I'm wearing Bhavna Rao. I've been styled by Malvika Tater and we've gone for a very old Hollywood glamorous look. जी. So I work with 2 charity foundations. एक है World for All Animals जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ animals के लिए है. So we actually help street dogs, street cats. We actually help them like find new homes and we also pick them off the street. We've got animal ambulances also right now, so I'm very excited. और the Shiksha Foundation is mainly to help the education of girls. अभी बहुत सारे अनाउंसमेंट्स होने वाले हैं लेकिन मैं अभी तो बात नहीं कर सकती हूँ. या थैंक यू. बाय.
You're very right about that. And during, especially the last couple of years, we've seen so many incidents.
मैं बहुत excited हूँ. I'm very honored and excited to be here. I think it's a beautiful evening with beautiful people. We're celebrating good deeds today. We're celebrating good actions, good intentions. Beautiful people, beautiful minds. So I'm very proud to be part of this celebration. Thank you. This is a Brinda Sneha creation. And it makes me feel very feminine. So I thought it's perfect for Femina.
I'm just really proud of Femina and actually doing this, recognizing the people who
अभी बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. I think अभी मैंने actually गाना release किया है. It's called Holi Holi and it's a Punjabi single and it's doing really well, thank God, and people are receiving it really well. So thank you.
Hi. She's our host. Who, Vicharika, was
Hello, how are you, Anil? I'm good, awesome. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एज लॉन्ग एज जब फेमिना की बात आती है तो टू अटेन द रेड कार्पेट ऑफ फेमिना एंड दिस मामाज आर्ट इज यू नो लाइक जॉइंट हैंड विद फेमिना तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द इवेंट. Okay, so this is kind of a Indo-Western gown और हमने बहुत जल्दी में पिक किया क्योंकि I was supposed to travel for my shoot abroad लेकिन वो क्योंकि postpone हो गया so I'm attending this red carpet today. तो I hope you like this outfit. Thank you so much. Thank you. बैठो.
What's up, bro? Yes, bro. ये गंगू भाई का आउटफिट है. नहीं, ये गंगू भाई का आउटफिट बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. This has been styled by Piyu, my stylist. Sorry, this has been styled by Piyu. That's what I said. हाँ, तो sorry क्यों बोलना पता है. Yeah. हाँ. बहुत excited हूँ. I mean, there were so many people who will be celebrated, and it's important to give them recognition. And ऐसे platform में recognition मिलना बहुत अच्छी बात है because तब लोगों को पता चलता है जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं इतने सारी चीज़ें के ऊपर. So it's good to always good to motivate them and to keep giving them recognition for good work. बता नहीं सकता. हाँ, बट बोल. हाँ, hopefully. तू बता कैसे नहीं अच्छे लग रहे क्या? तू बता, मैं काटता हूँ. अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना? हाँ, तो फिर क्यों काटने का है? क्यों खर्चा करने का है? Cool man, thank you brother.
Shantanu, let's come. Just a second. No, he's not.
अरे
Hi, dear. Thank you so much for being with us. You're part of the jury today from the Foundation. You have done incredibly good work. I can't even begin to tell, something like that. So where's that beautiful inspiration coming from? I want to ask you, what is it one thing that you
So when you brought up in a culture, especially the Punjabi culture, it's all about how you actually brought up in that.
हाय, कैसे अरुण? आई थिंक फेमिना एक ऐसी मैगज़ीन है जो मैं बचपन से मेरे घर आती थी। जब मैं छोटी थी मेरी मम्मा पढ़ती थी। सो इट्स लाइक यू नो वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट मैगज़ीन्स जो मैंने कभी देखी, जिसमें इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ टू मेरा कितनी सारी चीज़ों से विच आर रिलेटेड टू विमेन, इवन अबाउट विमेन हेल्थ, विमेन फैशन, सो मेनी थिंग्स। सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर बिकॉज मुझे अवार्ड भी मिल रहा है फेमिना की तरफ से आज ब्यूटिफुल इंडियंस की कैटेगरी में। सो आई वांट टू थैंक फेमिना फॉर दैट। आई थिंक मैं सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ और खाना मैं घर का खाती हूँ और ज़्यादा मैं कुछ करती नहीं। मैं पार्लर की ट्रीटमेंट्स, केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स वगैरह में बिलीव नहीं करती, तो मैं ब्लीच वगैरह कभी नहीं कराती। एंड आई थिंक जितना नेचुरल रहते हैं उतना अच्छी लगता है। ज़्यादा कुछ स्किन को टचअप करते रहें तो फिर आई थिंक इट गोज़ फॉर अ टॉस। Yeah, it was a last minute decision. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या पहनूं, so I just took out this simple black dress मेरे outfit में से and I just wore it. Yeah, black is always safe. Thank you. अभी तो मैं एक्टिंग पे कंसंट्रेट कर रही हूँ, तो अभी कुछ जैसे कुछ होगा तो अनाउंसमेंट आएगी। Thank you.
How are you? Good, good, good. Of course, it's a very strong representation of beauty. Femina has always owned up to that, so it's lovely to be here tonight. I'm wearing Demi by Gabriella. So it's very pretty, it's very pink, it's very me. So very happy to be in it. So my single just released called Tera Saath Ho. So yeah, I can sing a few lines for you guys. हाले से तू जो आके छू ले, तेरे छूने से रात हो, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती की कोई तो शुरुआत हो, के ऐसा लगने लगा रोज तुमसे किसी भी बहाने से बात हो, भूल कर ये जहाँ पास आओ मेरे हाथों में तेरा हाथ हो, तेरा साथ हो। Thank you guys. Thank you.